11 Impressive health benefits of dates. Number 1. Help relieve constipation. Dates are used traditionally in many parts of the world as a natural laxative to relieve occasional constipation. Though they can be consumed as is, it is believed that by soaking them overnight and reducing the consistency to that of a sticky syrup provides greater benefit, although this is yet to be proven. Regardless of how you choose to consume them, their use as natural laxatives is likely due to their high levels of soluble fiber, which absorb water as it transits through the intestinal tract. When it eventually enters the colon, the remnants of this fiber hydrate hardened feces and allow easy expulsion. Number 2. Provide a rapid energy source. Dates are comprised of a large proportion of simple sugars, being mainly in the form of glucose and fructose, which are used heavily for energy by the body. Consuming a few dates prior to exercise or strenuous activity ensures that your brain and muscles have enough energy to perform at a high intensity. Dates are also convenient to keep if you are a diabetic, as their sugars are rapidly absorbed into the blood for use in the case of an event where your blood sugar drops too low, too fast. They should not be consumed frequently if you struggle to keep your blood sugar under control, as their generous carbohydrate content can add to your diabetes woes. Number 3. Help prevent night blindness. Many people struggle with vision under poor lighting conditions even though their eyes may physically be in great shape. This has many causes, but among them are those caused by a deficiency of vitamin A or its related carotenoids antioxidants. Dates can also play an important role in delaying macular degeneration of the eye as a result of aging, helping preserve vision for a longer time. Number 4. Help control cholesterol levels. There are actually many different varieties of dates, with differing nutritional profiles among some of them. By far, the most common variety is the medjool type, but another called the Hawloi has shown potential in reducing blood cholesterol levels. The Hawloi variety also possesses a greater proportion of catechins, compounds related to those in tea that have a cholesterol-lowering effect. They simultaneously reduce levels of bad cholesterol LDL, and raise concentration of good HDL, even though they have a relatively high sugar level. In addition, dates also prevent oxidation of cholesterol, which in turn reduces the likelihood of atherosclerotic deposits getting larger in blood vessels. This 1-2 punch can reduce the incidence of heart disease significantly. Number 5. Help to control blood pressure. One striking feature of dates is that their sodium content is so low it can be considered negligible, while they contain more than enough potassium. We know that excessive sodium, salt, is a major contributing factor to high blood pressure, but potassium exerts a controlling effect, helping promote sodium excretion. As a result, since dates are rich in potassium but not sodium, it creates a scenario that promotes the excretion of sodium and excess water, regulating blood volume and blood pressure. Number 6. Preserve healthy intestinal microbiome. The intestines are populated by a diverse population of microorganisms, many of which are essential to our survival and health, and for breakdown and assimilation of nutrients. These microorganisms can become suppressed for many reasons, ranging from disease to use of medication. We need to ensure these bacteria get sufficient nutrition, which dates capably supply. Dates contain soluble fiber which is converted into prebiotic nutrition for these bacteria, in order for them to properly replicate and colonize the intestines. Supplying adequate nutrition also supports your immune system, which in turn will boost your natural resistance. Number 7. Preserve brain function in the elderly. Degeneration of brain tissue is an accepted reality of aging, although it does not need to be the case. Many of these adverse changes are related to excessive inflammation, which can be slowed down if the effects of cortisol and other oxidants are controlled. Dates are known to be excellent buffers of cortisol, reducing the inflammatory influence of it. Diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's have an inflammatory component which can be reduced if you control excessive inflammation in the body. Number 8. Reduce the risk of developing colon cancer. Colon cancer's development depends on several factors, such as inflammation, frequency of bowel movements and overall health of your intestinal flora. Dates have proven themselves to be beneficial on all these factors, promoting regularity, helping nourish your intestinal bacteria and decreasing the body's inflammatory response. Colon polyp formation is reduced, which, while benign, do have the potential of turning cancerous under the right conditions. Number 9. Support a healthy pregnancy. Pregnancy is a time when caloric needs increase, along with nutritional requirements. Dates are relatively high in calories from carbohydrates, and are excellent sources of folic acid. Folic acid is necessary for prevention of neural tube defects and for proper development of the fetal brain. Consuming a few dates every day is an excellent way to offer prenatal support to your young. Number 10. Dates improve bone health. There are plenty of foods that supply calcium, which dates have, but there are far fewer that supply vitamin K, an important cofactor in blood clotting and necessary for proper bone mineralization. Dates also contain magnesium, another mineral that helps to reinforce the structural integrity of bone tissue. Number 11. Have anti-aging effects. Aging is a normal process that cannot be stopped. However, this does not mean that you should let it run amok or worse, experience accelerated or early onset signs of aging, as dates offer great support. The carotenoid antioxidants contained within dates preserve skin health, and can act as UV light reflectors, blocking the damage caused by the sun. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy food, please subscribe to the channel.